was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this second stop, fourth car today. We doing this work for Diversicare. If you see it, man, we done this work. We probably do them probably about every other month or so, but they don't really want nothing. They want the headlights taken care of. They want the exterior clean, the inside clean. Inside is pretty clean already. Just a quick zip, bam, boom on the vacuum. Exterior pretty dirty, but other than that, not gonna take too long. Knock it out. Yeah, we gotta go take my son to get his haircut because they going out of town this weekend with their mother. They're going somewhere tremendously fun. I'm so proud that they'll be experiencing that. Too bad they won't experience it with me, but we'll get that one day, man. You know, everything happens according to plan. And like always, I'm gonna continue to do what I do, man. You do what you gotta do, man. Stay dedicated to the process. And on that note, like always, man, peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We done got this last car done for the day, which is a Dodge Caravan for Diversicare. We got the whole car knocked out. You remember what the headlights look like? It was a little messed up, so we actually got those looking good. But we got the whole car done in and out. Give you a quick glimpse of the interior. Like I said, it wasn't that bad, but it was bad. So we got the car looking good though. In and out. They're definitely gonna be enthused with the work. So I'm about to go ahead and park it. Let them know we finished. Get paid, head home. But like always, one love, love thyself, man. Can't love yourself. Can't love nobody else if you don't love yourself. And you gotta remember that, man. And like always, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.